फुडल्या वर्सा गोंयांतली ITI संस्थेत सुधारणा करतले। केंद्र सरकाराच्या योजने अंतर्गत सगळ्या प्रकारच्यो सुविधा आणि कॉर्पोरेट संस्था अपग्रेड करतले। सोमारा शासकीय सरकारी प्रशिक्षण संस्था बोगदा हांगसर नव्यान कामकीर विद्यार्थ्यांक संबोधित करताना मुखेल सोयरे वास्कोचे आमदार कार्लोस आल्मेदा हाजर आशिल्ले। आर्डिक्स गोवा खातीर बोगदाच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
I must appreciate the role of the director and his team, Director Alex Pab and his team. They are going in the right direction vis-a-vis this skill development program. त्याच्या डायरेक्शन सारखे वयता म्हणून कितें करता की दॅट कोश उपयार्ड जुवारीज दे आर टेकिंग पार्ट इन इट. आमी थोडे करेक्टीव मेजर्स सांगले एक्स्ट्रा कितें करपा तेंका म्हाका खात्री आसा की तो करतलो म्हणटो. आनी एक बरें जालें की आयज ITI म्हणून कोण भुरगे एपाटी एडमिशन लॉट्स ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा स्टुडंट्स आहले फॉर एडमिशन एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस चालू केले एपाटी वास्कोन. And this proves that the skill development program started by the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister follow करतो. That is going in the right direction.
In Goa, we have been receiving wholehearted support from the government, specifically from the Honorable Chief Minister, since he has taken up in March. He has been very supportive and encouraging. And through that encouragement, we have been moving ahead very fast in terms of expanding our intake capacity in the institute. This year, we have increased the capacity by 512 seats alone. In addition to that, we are creating now apprenticeship training capacity on the industrial shop floor for each and every student who is admitted into the ITI. When they pass out, an opportunity is waiting for them on the industrial shop floor for employment. Once they complete the apprenticeship program on the shop floor, if they are very good, the company will absorb them. So we are channelizing the youth in a direction where skills and employment will go together. There are a lot of initiatives which are presently ongoing, and there are more in the pipeline. For example, Vasco ITI, we are partnering Zuari Agrochemicals under a centrally sponsored scheme called upgradation of 1396 ITIs under private public partnership mode. The government of India is giving them 2.5 crores as interest-free loan to upgrade the institute. We are upgrading Vasco ITI under that scheme. At ITI Penjim, we are upgrading that institute under a different scheme of the central government called Scheme for Developing ITIs into Model ITIs. There we are getting 5 crores from Government of India. Like this, there is another scheme which is in the pipeline of Government of India, funded by the World Bank, where all other ITIs will be covered.
Presently, we have 10 trades in this ITI, which are conventional trades like fitter, electrician, mechanic, refrigeration and air conditioning. And we have introduced one new trade which is not there in any other ITI in Goa. It's the attendant operator chemical plant. This trade is introduced with collaboration with Zuari Agrochemicals Limited. So this trade is a 2-year course, and Zuari has ensured to give placements to these trainees, the first 3 batches who pass out of this institute from this course. And they are helping us to train the boys apart from the syllabus to, they give them soft skill training, other training which is not there in the syllabus, and overall they are lifting the image of the ITI so that the value of the trainee when he passes out of the institute is higher and makes him employable.